Today I'm going to make a new rag rug for my kitchen. I made myself one several years ago, and after using it every day for all of those years, it finally wore through. But I have been saving old t-shirts every time we clear out and t-shirts are ready for the bin. I've put them away in my box. Same with towels, because I knew that's what I needed for a new rag rug. So I have my towels, I have my t-shirts, a pair of scissors and a sewing machine. I have all I need to make a new rag rug. Let me show you how. So first I need to cut all these t-shirts into squares. They don't have to be exact squares. The last one I did, they were lots of different shapes and sizes, but just rough squares, roughly the same size and as many as I can. So I'll do that first. I also need to cut the base of the mat from this towel. So again, no measurements. I just look at the size I would like it to be and cut it. And then I'm just going to fold over the edges and stitch around them just to stop it fraying a little bit. And then I'll have the base mat ready to attach the t-shirt squares. So once I've got my base mat and all my t-shirt squares ready, what I need to do next is attach the squares to the mat. So I'll just fold them in half so they look like a little triangle and lay them one on top of each other in a line down my mat, so like this, so that they're all folded over, one on top of the other, but just a little bit of a gap in between. And then I'll just stitch a line down the middle of those triangles. Then I simply repeat this, folding the squares into triangles, folding them in half and laying them on top of each other in the next row. So I'll have to lift the edge of the first row to be able to put the next ones down, so they're quite close together. And you'll slowly be able to see how this makes the rag rug all fluffy and all the t-shirt parts will stick up. So row after row, I just have to fold, lay and stitch these t-shirt squares into triangles, into rows, onto my base mat, row after row after row, until I finally filled up the base mat with rows of t-shirt squares. Okay, so about 4 hours, about 10 t-shirts, one old towel and a little bit of work, and I have my new rag rug for my kitchen. Lots of different colours, nice and thick, cozy for my feet when I'm washing the dishes. Love my new rag rug.